This is Porch Coffee After Dark. Tonight's truth: slow does not mean stuck. Some of us are moving quieter, planning tighter, and protecting our peace. And people may say that's falling off, but it's not. It's alignment. In my opinion, the most dangerous thing someone can do is speed through a season that's teaching you. This is where discipline is built. This is where the foundation is poured. So if you needed permission, take the pause, but don't quit the mission. Comment, still building, if you're in your quiet grind era. Share this with someone who thinks they're behind.